Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reorganize your WebPack project. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. WebPack actually suggests that your project folder should look like this. So it suggests that you add your index.html inside a folder called dest for distribution and the bundled version of JavaScript also inside the distribution, whereas all of your JavaScript files that you are going to work on should be inside a folder called source. And actually, this is just a suggestion, but you don't have, by the way, you don't have to follow these steps or this convention, but it's better if you are going to use other things in Webpack. I'd highly recommend using their style. So let me show you how you can reorganize your files. So first of all, I'm going to close all of these files in order to reorganize everything. So Webpack actually suggests that instead of using the distribution, I'm going to remove this distribution folder, delete, and it suggests that you move your index.html to your dest. So I'm going to move this to the distribution or to the dest folder. And it also suggests that all of your JavaScript files be inside the source, and that's true. We have all of our JavaScript files inside the source. And it also suggests that in your webpack config.js, that the name of the bundled version should be main.js. And again, this is not mandatory. This is just their suggestion. You can name your bundle whatever you want. There is no problem. But I just want to show you their style. And here the directory is dest. That's it. And once you reorganize your folder like this, open your terminal. And in the terminal, just type npm and then run and then build. And make sure that the build command is inside your package JSON here, build webpack. Or you can use the alt command, which is npx. Let me show you that. npx webpack. So you can use this command, npx webpack, or the npm run build. Both will work. And then hit enter. And this is going to build or bundle your project, bundle all of your JavaScript files. So if I go to the browser and refresh, it's not going to work. Why? I'm going to show you the reason why this is not working is because, first of all, in our index.html, we need to make reference to the main.js. Here we have distribution bundle, which we have deleted. So here it should be, instead of this, it should be dot and then main.js. So we need here to use the main because we no longer have the bundle. And then in the browser, we also here in the browser need to access the new file, which is dest and then slash index.html. Now if I hit enter, it's gonna work again. I changed this. Here it says I changed this. And also in the console, if you open your console, you'll find that here in the console, you will find that we have the array still exists. So this is how you can use Webpack and reorganize your files in your project, which is the suggestion that is given by Webpack. So this is how you can reorganize your Webpack project.